Hi guys, Haris here. Today I want to show you a PC that is quite cheap in the market with a reasonable performance. And I'm here with my best friend HUZAIFAH, or nickname Jepo. Okay, HUZAIFAH, do you have problems with your current PC or laptop?
Yes, it does happen often and always loading.
That's quite unfortunate, isn't it? Do you know that the market currently has a computer that is quite cheap with and that has a reasonable performance, considering it offering a cheap price tag?
Does it really exist such product?
Well, you not to pay anymore because VXRN Pre-Build PC is here for you.
Can I really trust this product?
Actually, you can because our company has been registered at the official government sector. So you can rest assured because our company is legal here, and the price we put at the shelf is quite good actually. So you can relax, assured, and you can browse our products.
Oh, I'm interested. Can you tell me more about this product?
Well, since you are using for this for gaming, you can get a build like using the CPU of Ryzen 5 GTX 60 Ti, 60 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is very fast considering it has 32,000 MHz. So you can use it for a long time, at least 3 or 5 years.
Wow, that is super. But it does it actually cheap?
Well, I can say it's really cheap because the margin we take from the build service is very low, so you can get the performance per dollar really reasonable.
If the performance is great, that as you say, what about the design?
Well, our VXRN Pre-Build PC has many options that include white, blue, black, green or yellow. So you can choose whatever you want, and there's an option also for customers that want to customize their computer to their taste. So you can make it to your tasting. So you don't have to argue whether you like it or not. So that's up to you then.
Phew, that's very assuring since I don't want my computer that I use for a long period would like ugly.
Rest assured because we prioritize our quality in our product. I mean, VXRN Pre-Build PC is quite top and good in the market. It is rising star, so you can use it for a long time without hurting your eyes, because mostly cheap PC as the aesthetic is quite bad actually. So if you are interested in this product, you can visit us at vxrnpc.com or call us at 03-223-4455 immediately, because we are running and limited stock. So hurry up, grab your PC now. If you are looking at the PC here, it's quite ugly, I see, because it has no light at all, has no color at all, and it's blunt. While the modern PC is quite, it's smart. It has RGB lighting. It has what I said. It has colorful RAM, colorful liquid cooling. So all you want is in here. You will not hurt your eyes, and you will get a better performance than this PC. Grab it while it stock lasts.